Today, we're settling the ultimate truck debate. Why do European trucks outclass American giants in efficiency, safety, and innovation? Spoiler, it's not just about size. From emissions wars to crash tests, we're exposing why Europe's trucks are engineered to dominate and what the US can learn. Let's dive in. 1. Design philosophy. Bigger versus smarter, American muscle. US trucks prioritize raw power, e.g., Ford F-150 is 450 HP V8, and towing capacity, 14,000 pounds. But average fuel efficiency, just 15 mpg EPA, 2023. European brains. EU trucks like Volvo H16 focus on aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and hybrid tech. Result? 25% better fuel efficiency and lower CO2 emissions. Key stat: US trucks account for 20% of transportation emissions versus EU's 6%. European Environment Agency. 2. Emissions and fuel efficiency. The regulatory war, EU standards. Euro 6 norms cap NOx at 0. 4G/kWh. US EPA allows 0. 5G/kWh, 2023. Europe also mandates CO2 cuts of 15% by 2025 for trucks. Biofuel adoption. 30% of EU trucks use renewable fuels versus less than 5% in the US. Statista, 2023. Electric surge. EU has 50,000 plus electric trucks versus US's 2,000. 3. Safety. Crash tests don't lie. Structural integrity. EU trucks use reinforced cab designs, mandatory since 1989, to protect drivers. US trucks lack similar standards. Crash test ratings. Volvo FH scores 5 by 5 NCAP. Average US pickup scores 3/5 NHTSA. Tech edge. EU trucks feature lane keeping, emergency braking. US models often reserve these for luxury trims. 4. Regulations and use cases. Workhorse versus daily driver, EU focus. Strict length/weight limits, e.g., 18.75 meters max. Prioritize efficiency for freight corridors. US. Freedom. No federal length limits, fostering massive rigs like the Kenworth W900L. But urban maneuverability suffers. Commercial versus personal. 80% of EU trucks are fleet-owned versus 70% US trucks used personally. Asia, 2023. So, are American trucks worse? Not exactly. They're built for different worlds. But if the US embraced EU-style innovation, could Detroit out-engineer Europe? Smash like for a deep dive on that. Comment below. Should America adopt EU truck laws? Don't forget to subscribe.